is Friday. Yay! Not that makes much of a difference because it's summer. It's like thundering and lightning and raining, all that good stuff. And I live in Florida. It's like summer is like rainy season. Like most places, like up north, it's probably like April. Like April showers, May brings flowers. But no, in Florida, this is rainy season. When you want to go to the beach, it's like, no, sweetie, you will go inside. And I'm like, okay. It's like 11:30. I woke up a few hours ago. Basically, I'm just going to show you what I do on a rainy day. Okay, let's go. Whee! I started my day by doing my normal morning routine, which I might make a video of it. Ooh. Wow, my eyelashes are short. I just like wash my face and then tone. Kind of hurts, but whatever. It works, kind of. I don't know. It's not that bad right now. It's not bad at all, so don't attack me. And I haven't done anything else. Like I haven't even eaten, so I'm starving. And I might eat granola. We'll see. I've been on that Emma Chamberlain stan. I've been obsessed with iced coffee. Regular coffee's gross. No, it's not. Actually, I love it. I gotta stop. Okay. So I'm gonna make that. It's like we have this one, and then we have this one. But I don't know where the rest of it is. I found the piece. Now I just gotta find coffee beans. I think that's them. Didn't find coffee beans, but I found coconut water mix. Like, that's gross. Who would make coconut water in a Keurig? Who invented that? They need to be in prison. Oh, that's gross. Well, I'm silly. The coffee beans are behind the coffee maker. I'm so dumb. Also, we all knew that. Because I've realized my granola is getting soggy. Yes, I eat with plastic spoons because I'm 5 years old. Dance party.
It smells so good.
I was gonna insert like a video of my dogs, but I realized that my puppy voice, like, you know, the voice that everyone uses when they talk to a dog, is like, mine is just so annoying. Like, I'm like, you guys. So I didn't put it in, and I'm so sorry, because like that means that you don't get to see my beautiful creatures, but I'm sorry, but my voice is just too annoying for that. Thanks, bye. My coffee's in the freezer because I want it iced and I don't want it watery. Just did the dishes because I'm a good child. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Maybe I'll go jump in some puddles. My grass, like, it looks nice, but I'm pretty sure it's only weeds. What are we gonna do about that? Nothing. That's good. Look, it's the kitty from the Aristocrats. Stay up. We're done with that. Hi.
I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York. I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick you with you. You'll be my American boy.
Okay. People will be like, Haven, how long has that water been in your room? And I'm like less than or equal to a week. What do you mean? Maybe I'll just tell you guys some things. I have 5 real full siblings. Like, I have 3 brothers that are all older than me, and then 2 sisters. One's younger, but the other one's older. I have 2 stepbrothers. I love all of my family most of the time. I used to have a cat, Rip. That was really dark. Okay. Well, I'm going into high school. Yay. Like, I used to be a cheerleader and I play soccer now. I decided. My vocabulary is like 2nd grade. I just decided that I'm going to try out for their cheer team. Maybe I'll make it. Something else you can do on rain day is watch movies, duh. If it's like thundering and lightning, be careful, because like if your house gets struck by lightning, your laptop, TV, or whatever is plugged in, death. Just be careful. I'm gonna wait for my coffee to get done, and once it is, we'll talk again. Let's see how she tastes. Do a little mixy. We aren't vegan, but really good. It's time for more coffee. This frother sucks. Stop. This was supposed to be like a rainy day thing, but like now it's just like not, so. Too much liquid. I said the frother sucks, but it doesn't. I'm making more coffee. It scares me every time.